Hi, this is the OnePlus Pad and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key on this device. So to use Google Assistant from press and hold the Power Key button, we should open first the settings, then scroll to the additional settings and tap the power button. Click, press and hold power key and switch power menu to voice assistant. Now let's press and hold the power button. And we could see that the Google Assistant is activated. To use power menu, when the Google Assistant just linked to your power key, you should press up volume button and the power key together. But if you want to just turn it off, you should tap to additional to power button, press hold power button and switch voice assistant to power menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.